My dearest Neural friends, there's a new AI model that's been making quite some waves now.
Sunny and I, we took Stable Diffusion, and there's a mod to it called Juggernaut XL, which basically produces the most beautiful people you've ever seen. Like under any boundary condition, it doesn't matter what prompt you give.
Handsome.
The people
Beautiful.
that it generates are the most stunningly, symmetrically beautiful people.
Juggernaut XL is particularly famous for the astonishing photorealistic objects it can create. But this does not mean that it's limited only to photorealistic stuff. The community has been creating all kinds of styles with Juggernaut XL already, and I'm super excited to tell you today that we on the Neural Frames side have been working together with RunDiffusion.com to bring you for the first time the opportunity to create AI animations with Juggernaut XL in the cloud in an audio reactive fashion. Let's try it out once. I'm super excited what we can create with it today. And we are here in the model selection. Let's choose Juggernaut XL, create new. Let's say self-confident squirrel, scientist squirrel standing in a lab, pink safety goggles, chemistry, colorful liquids, modern laboratory, bubbles, high-tech, yada yada, and 16:9 of course. That's great already. Let's doing experiments. Let's put a bit of emphasis to the pink safety goggles. Let's put them a bit earlier. Standing in a lab. Let's remove them there and render again. Those are fantastic. Okay, let's use this one. It looks kind of like he's an intruder. Well, cute squirrel is an intruder in the lab. Let's upload a song. Now, while the stems are being extracted from the song, right? Neural Frames extracts the stems of the song for us to use a modulation. Let's add a second prompt. What can we do? Maybe some engineer. Let's say constructing a clock, Renaissance era, steampunk. Okay. Now we choose no movement and trippy flicker style. Actually, let's go to Pro. Let's increase the edge echo. Edge echo keeps the shape stable. And for these ones, I also like to increase the strength now. Because the strength, if it's high and with edge echo together, still keeps high stability. This is cool. Let's add a modulation based on that one on the zoom. So that's this keypad thing. Let's zoom out a little bit on that and then zoom in on the second prompt for that. And then also my favorite move always is strength modulation on the snare. Let's add that. Cool. Yeah, I think this is already it. Let's render. Actually, I just had an idea. This looks great already. Let's do the following. So the edge echo keeps the things stable around the shapes. It keeps the shape stable. But maybe for the second prompt, we actually don't want that. So let's put a negative modulation on the snare on the edge echo. Right, negative amplitude. And let's put it there where the second prompt starts. And then we will see a sudden change in scenery. Let's see how this looks like. So we've successfully rendered this clip. We've also ended the third prompt of a sushi chef, squirrel as a sushi chef. Let's look at the video now. Check out Juggernaut XL on neuralframes.com. Happy rendering.